All right, guys and gals, take a look at this. Seldom seen in this condition, 1971 Chevrolet Malibu. This car, ladies and gentlemen, has 25,000 actual miles. There is documentation back well over 30 years to prove the miles. And as we go around the car and you watch the video, you'll be able to see that the car also tells the story and in the fact that the miles are actual on it. So as I'm going around the video here, I'll remind you that you can see any still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. So on there will be pictures of the inside, outside, the underneath, and anything else you might want to know on the website at uniqueclassiccars.com. So from what we can tell on this car, and per the previous owner, like I mentioned, there's certainly documentation to prove the 25,000 actual miles on the car. And as we go around this car, it certainly shows that a large part of the paint is original yet. I have found a couple of spots that I believe have been repainted, but I'll show you what I mean as we open the door here. So the first place you always look for any sort of signs of repaint is in the door jambs. And as you can see here, there's no signs of overspray of any kind. And it's very solid, as you can see, even under the doors. So you look on the edge of the door and also in the jamb, you'll see that it's very, very clean. Now moving inside is where it really shows. There's absolutely zero cracks in the dash. We'll zoom in on the odometer. It's currently at 25,324. Bench seat Malibu. Does have the GM seat belts in it as well. Now the stereo, as you can see, has been upgraded to a little bit newer AM/FM cassette. The original stereo comes with the car, and that is in the trunk. You'll see that in a moment. There's your heating controls. Again, the interior is about as close to new 1971 as you could come by. You can see the headliner is all up and intact. No rips, no stains, very clean. Same is true with the back seat. Seat belts in the rear as well. We'll move around to the other side here quick. Again, as I mentioned, all the still pictures for this car are on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. This car is powered by its numbers matching 307 V8, 350, turbo 350, excuse me, automatic transmission. Again, I'll show you this door as well. Very clean. This car definitely, although not 100% original, as I said, there may have been a couple of places that have been painted, such as the deck lid. I did notice a respray there, but I believe anyway, in my opinion, you could definitely call this a survivor car. The vinyl top is in great shape as well. It's not dry rotted. There's no rust bubbles or anything underneath showing that we can see. Give you a look at that. Windshield's in good shape as well. No cracks or anything like that. I'll take a peek in the trunk here real quick. That opens real easy. Again, very tidy in the trunk. No rust on the lip up there or anything like that. Here's the original factory radio that I was telling you about. That comes with the car. Very solid, original panels. The car has not been quartered or anything like that. See the floor, very solid there. Believed to be the original spare. I have not checked the date code, but per the previous owner, he believed that it was. The trunk has had the new weather strip put in. You can see that's nice and pliable right there. All right, so now for the fun part, we will go ahead and shut this off and get the car started for you. Okay, we'll get this fired up. warning lights or anything, of course. Fuel gauge is working. As I said, this car is powered by its original numbers matching 307 V8, backed by a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. It does have power brakes, disc brakes up front, power steering as you can see right there, and very clean and tidy under the hood. See if we can get it to kick down here a little bit. There we go. Nicely idling car. We'll go around back so you can hear what that sounds like. Nice muscle car sound, but nothing obnoxious. And then there are a couple of paint flaws in where I consider to be the original paint anyway. I want to show you. You can see right there, there's a kind of a chip and a crack right there. And I did notice there's a couple of chips at the bottom of the door there. Those are the most, really the only two spots that I saw in the car paint-wise. So you can check out all the still photos of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are always considered. Financing is available, and this car is eligible for an extended warranty as well. Make sure you ask for any details.